Okay, this is gonna be a dumb video, but
Can I see?
sure. This is a 2010 Chevy Malibu, 140,000 miles. We recently purchased it with a no crank, no start condition. Turned the key, nothing, just clicked. We started with the battery. Had a bad terminals on it, so we did the Walmart upgrade, racing style.
What's
You
this?
know how we do. That's the windshield wiper fluid. So
What
we
is this?
scanned it for codes.
What's this?
Scanned it for codes. We had no communication with the ECM, no communication with the TCM. The high speed CAN bus was down. It could talk to
Daddy.
it could talk to the HVAC. It could talk to what else? The airbag. That's it really. But no communication with the high speed CAN bus. So we checked the fuses. It was missing this fuse right here. Which, where's the cover? Let me see the cover. It's the fuse number 3. Fuse number 3. Ignition, 15 amp. ECM ignition, bass ignition. We hooked up the scope to the OBD2 connector. Hooked up to terminal 6 and 14. You know, the images corrupted a network. There's something wrong with the network, so we started to unplug. We unplugged the ECM. We unplugged the EBCM. We unplugged the body control module. Both connectors of the body control module unplugged, and then I lost the communication network. So I unplugged everything, plugged it back in, put the key in the ignition, the car started right up. I don't know, maybe one of the modules reset itself and came back to life. We did find a lot of these wires under the hood, all dry rotted, typical GM. You know how it is. So pops over here, putting corrugated protector on the wire. I'll show you right now. I'm gonna start it. Oh no, it was that easy. Any thoughts, any comments, please? Feel free to put them in the comment box. I don't know what happened. All I did was change the battery, change the terminals, change the fuse. Probably one of these wires was shorted down the network. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment.